Mazi Nnamdi Kanu arrives court today as it seems that he has fired all his legal counsel. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu officially now will be represented by himself. He was seen today as he was seen representing himself. According to the report, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has fired all his legal counsel and he has told the judge that he will be representing himself. During the sitting today, he appeared in court in high spirit as he also met with Showore, who held a free Nnamdi Kanu protest just to try to persuade the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu, who is illegally detained. Today, Nnamdi Kanu arrives court as he prepares for his trial. During the trial, he told the judge that he has fired all his legal counsel, that he will be representing himself during the trial. The judge also said, would Nnamdi Kanu be needing a counsel, that he is willing to provide one for him, which Nnamdi Kanu humbly declined and said that he will be defending himself.
Yes. Mazi, you'll be out. Mazi, he's strong. Let's see.
But that's what you wrote. You said here, my lord, that the defendant has now applied for bail. Now, as I've said earlier, bail is a decision of the court, taking into consideration all the conditions laid down in Muhammad Abacha v. State. At this stage, I am of the opinion that to make or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determining the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since 25th of April 2017 until he was produced on the 29th of June. My lord, which was exactly what the Supreme Court did. They said that he did not jump bail. These criminals came to my house to kill me. That's what the Supreme Court said. This is in your own court, my lord. So I cannot understand, my lord, why my trial will be conducted contrary to the Constitution of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel. Is here. This is the law of Nigeria.